This tutorial will discuss how you can build your quality of life in the budget game. Notice that one of the key components of the budget game score is your quality of life. Your quality of life points are pooled together with other game metrics to result in your overall game score, so it's important that you focus on your personal happiness and not solely on your finances. You can improve your quality of life by spending on luxuries or hanging out with your friends and family on the weekend. It may seem like the opposite thing to do in a game called the budget game, as improving your quality of life requires you to spend and not focus solely on saving, but just like in real life, you want to both save and spend on yourself. One of the ways to build your quality of life is actually by making a decision on your fixed expenses. For example, the more expensive your housing option, cell phone plan, TV plan, and meal plan, the more quality of life points you'll get from making bill payments towards these premium plans. So by picking a medium place with one roommate, I'll get more quality of life points when I pay my bills than a large place with 5 roommates, but of course at a higher cost. You can also build your quality of life by the actions you take in the game. So if I roll my dice to the end of the week, I'll be prompted with my weekend choices. If I choose to socialize, I'll see my quality of life points increase. So right now it's 3,056. If I click socialize, I can see my quality of life points has increased to 3,106, an increase of 50 points. Building your quality of life points is one of the secondary objectives of the budget game. You should first and foremost prioritize meeting your savings objectives, ensure that all of your bills have been paid off, and ensure that your credit card balance is kept below a 50% threshold. Once all of these primary objectives have been met, then it's okay to spend on luxuries. The key to success in the budget game is to focus both on your financial commitments, but also to focus on your personal happiness as well. You won't do as well as you think just focusing on saving and making as much money as possible. That's it for this video, and thanks for watching.